Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and the regular smuggler headband elastic thingy. Okay, as you guys can see, this is a headband wig and it is in the texture Jerry Curly, and it is 24 inches long and 150% density. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is obviously a headband wig, as you guys can see, honey. Another headband wig, okay? And this particular headband wig, it has the hair info they have is Donmily headband wig, Jerry curly hair wig, 150% density, and 24 inches. And I'm guessing that 24 inches is a stretch length and not in its natural state, because in its natural state, I would say about 20 inches or so, or maybe 22, but I definitely wouldn't give it 24, but stretched out I would. You get it? So I'm gonna say that they're talking about the stretched length. So I'm going on the site, and on the site it says Donmily headband wig, Jerry curly hair wigs, 150% density, natural looking, glueless with gift headband, and it's available in 14 to 26 inches. And as I stated, I do have it in 24 inches, but I do want you guys to be mindful that this headband wig is, like, when you get it, if it's shorter than what it looks like, it's because they're talking about the stretched length. So it says hair type Jerry curly wig, cap size average, color natural black, length 14 to 26 inches, package 1 piece, density 150%. So yeah, those are the details and specs that I have on this unit. Now as far as the cap construction, this unit does come with 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the little headband thing. You know, you guys know the little elastic headband thing, child. So it has, those are like the cap constructions. Now as far as tangling and shedding, honestly, y'all, this hair does not tangle whatsoever, despite it being a really curly unit. Okay, it's really curly, as you guys can see, without any product, mind you. I didn't put any product on this unit. This unit looked, it woke up like this. Okay, I didn't do anything product wise to this unit. So yeah, it's literally not shedding, and I can run my fingers through it like really easy. So that is definitely a plus with this unit. And as far as it being big head friendly, this unit is a headband wig, and you guys know I have been saying that in my opinion they're like a one size fits all thing. type of thing. It says on here that the cap size is average 22, head circumference 22 to 22.5. So if you know your head circumference, then it should be no issue. But I still feel like you'll be able to make it work no matter your head size because of the elastic bands and the headband thing. You guys know what I'm talking about, the headband thing. So yeah, that is just my opinion. But yeah, that's all that I have as far as details and specs go with this unit. If you are interested in how I feel about this unit, then please continue watching. Okay, y'all. So honestly, you guys know I love a good Jerry Curly unit. Like Jerry Curly has just been coming my thing lately, and this one, it is just giving me all of the vibes. I love that it was so easy to style, that I did not have to put any product on it whatsoever, that the hair is nice and full and flowy. Despite it being 150% density, it looks really full in my opinion. Like it looks good. Like it looks pretty full. Like, don't it look full to you? This unit is another unit that is kind of giving me the wet and wavy sort of vibes, but it's more of a wet and curly, honey. Okay, and I really like that. Like it kind of just makes me feel like it kind of just gives me the feeling that I am wearing micro braids or something. I don't know, I just really love the texture of this wig, and I love how effortless it was. Like, because you guys know, okay, your girl is always looking for something that is going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, that is just always what I'm looking for, and this unit gave me all of the things. Okay, so shout out to you, Donmily, because yes, I am definitely feeling this unit. I love how good the hair feels. It feels really soft, and it's really lightweight, despite the fact that it does look pretty full. I love that about this unit. I love this big old thick headband. Child, I had wiped off some of my bronzer because I did my baby hairs after my makeup. Child, don't do that. Okay, don't. Matter of fact, let me add a little more bronze. I'm looking crazy out here in these streets. So yeah, I am definitely feeling everything about this unit. I did decide to do the half up, half down style because sometimes I just want to give you guys a little versatility. This is not necessarily a style that I would normally go for, but I do think it is really cute with this texture. So let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you like it? Like, are you feeling it? Are you tired of headband wigs? So, honey, just let your girl know down below in the comments. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back, and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you have a Jerry Curly headband wig like this. Let me know, honey. Let me know all of the things down below. And yeah, girl, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.